We must moderate our language and figure out how to unite the country. Today, there are efforts to bring talks in Nairobi. So you are aware? Those talks are supposed to unite Kenya. And anybody going in there and trying to divide Kenya is not doing any service to our country. And I was not very happy that people who should be promoting unity are very busy promoting disunity. Not at the national level, but even at the local level. Trying to cast aspersions, call people names, use very abusive language that is not very helpful to anybody. And I would like to appeal to all leaders. If you have a difference of opinion, put your politics at the level of competing policies, not matusi. That will not help anybody. Today we have Mheshimiwa Wetangula here. He's the Speaker of the National Assembly, heading the third arm of government. And he's here. He's from a different political party and from a different political coalition. But we are all here. All of you here, we know how you voted. We know. But we have come to serve the Lord and serve our people. And we are not here to abuse anybody or to fight anybody. We would also demand, as elected leaders, to be treated the same. If you choose to abuse those you should be grooming because they've taken a different path and because they think differently, then just tell us that we have no space, in whatever it is you are trying to achieve. And you do not recognize the sacrifices some of us have made to support you in the past. But I will not be deterred. Leo umeona barabara, si wameanza kujenga tarmac. 50 years later, Wasuba wamepata tarmac, wameanza kujenga. How many here want me to continue with that job? Show me with your hands. How many of you want me to bring the president here? Show me. Because we have many things we still want to do here. Hatuna stima. Si stima leo imepotea. Hatuna. Watoto wetu hawana kazi. We have no meaningful industry here. For going to ask what is rightfully yours. You pay taxes. Mimi kama Caroli Omondi, I am saying, I've done my politics with a clean heart, and my purpose is to serve you people. I have no any other interest. So whatever it takes, be rest assured, I will support you. Hata juzi tumeleta stima hapa 58 million. Watu wa Kinchororio, watu wa Rianchogu, kuna mastima inaletwa huko kwenu. We never saw those things. We never saw them. Today, some people are pretending they are launching markets here. We are going to come here with the PS for housing, the relevant minister. We are going to do markets here with Governor Wanga, because markets are under the county government. So ukisikia mtu ameenda mahali to launch a market, hiyo ni ukora tu. Hakuna kitu anafanya huko. We will be here with Governor Wanga, with the officials, launching those markets. Hizo mtu asikuambie ni nini. Now if somebody thinks that I will need ODM ticket to run again here, let me tell them, I am ready to face my fate. I will come back, mtaniambia nifuate wapi. Na nitaingia. Hiyo si, I am sure.